Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I am going to discuss about our support system and as a customer or the user of our GHL SaasKits community and our code snippet, how you will get support for any problem or any issues you are facing. Okay, so actually we noticed that some of our user they are actually to get support, they actually open a new thread into the community like this one, okay, or some other also. So this is the not the perfect place actually to get support. Okay, the community is for sharing our knowledge, sharing our tips, tricks, sharing our information that will actually help us to grow our business, to get notified about their our new code snippet, how to implement it on your website, how to grow your agency business or something like that. Okay, so this is how we created this community, and now we have 470 members in our community, which is really good. Okay, and all those people are business minded and they actually want to grow their business. This is what we are thinking about our community members. Okay, so whatever, so how you will get support and where you actually write us, how you will reach out to us to get support. Okay, so into the community, when you log in at the right side, you will see some link like our GHL access to GHL code snippet, white label GHL account, so in our Facebook group. Okay, some other link. Okay, and at the very end you will see open a support ticket. Okay, so we added this last 2 days ago. Okay, so this is actually the place where you will open a support ticket when you need help from our team. Okay, like when you click on it, it will open a new window on your computer, and here you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, and the subject of the issues you are facing, that you need help, and you need to select the department, types of ticket, okay, and the category, and then write details about your issues. Okay, so if this is something about our GHL code snippet, let's say you are trying to install a code snippet, but you cannot do it. Okay, even though you follow our step-by-step video tutorial to do that. Okay, so you can't make this working. Okay, so in this case you may need help. Okay, so just come to this support portal. Okay, just click the link. Okay, open a support ticket, it will take you to this link. Okay, just fill up the form and put your information, the help you actually need. Okay, so if you need the code snippet issues help, then sometimes we need the GoHighLevel login access. So in this case you just use sam at GHL SaasKits.com. Okay, so this is the email. You can invite us to your GoHighLevel account as a sub user. Once the issue finished, okay, once the issue solved, you just need to delete that account from your GoHighLevel. Okay, this is how you can actually give us access. But if you think that you don't need to give us the information or the access, then just write your issues. Okay, the help you need. Okay, our team and I personally actually checking every time. Okay, the support portal, and you will get support. Okay, so this is how you can get support. So I will request all you that don't open any support related thread here in this community. Actually we want to make this community neat and clean, and the actual purpose basis. Okay, so that's why I request you to don't open any thread for when you need support. Okay, so just go to this link, open a support ticket, and then that's it. Okay, so this is what I actually wanted to share with you. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.